Yo, what's good, you guys? It's your girl Drea Rose, bringing you guys another video. And today we're gonna be doing a holiday makeup look. We're doing a very bold lip, so that's why we want the eyes to be very soft with an eyeliner, maybe a bit of sparkle on there, but really the focus is the lips. So let's go ahead and get started. I already have my foundation on, and that's about it, and obviously my eyebrows. So first, let's do a little bit of contouring and blush, and then we'll hop right on into the eyes. Some on the forehead. And the double chin. Now we're just gonna use a little fluffy flat brush and contour a bit on the nose, starting with the tip. You want the darkest part of your nose to be on the bottom, just so it kind of gives you that little look. And we start bringing it up. And you kind of want to connect it to the eyebrows. And now with a medium-sized brush, we're going to go in with our blush. I'm using the Ioni Baby Rose blush, which is this really nice color. Just a little bit. See, now we don't look so pale. So now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of baking powder. I'm using the Revolution baking powder in color Banana. Put it on all my parts that I wanted to highlight. And you do want to bring the powder into the nose just a bit, just so it'll give you a nice blend at the end. And just a bit on the forehead. So after that, I'm gonna go in with the Brightening Up by Essence Banana Powder, and with a flat fluffy brush, I'm just gonna pat that right under my eyes, because we really want that bright under eye look, just so the eyes pop and the lips pop. So now we are ready to go into the eyes, and first I'm just gonna go ahead and prime my lid with this Pro Concealer from LA Girl. And we want those colors to really hold on there, and since they're very light colors, you kind of do need to prime your lid. So just with my finger, I'm gonna go ahead and rub this. Very nicely blended. So now we're gonna go in with the Cherry Coke by Morphe. So on this palette, we're gonna be using about 3 or 4 colors. I want to use this one, and then this one on the crease, but I might go in with this at the end on my lid. So I'm going to use this color right here and put it on my lid and going upwards also. All right, just like that. And now with a fluffy brush, I'm gonna go in with this brown right here, and we're gonna just focus on the crease and then moving upwards just a bit. And we're gonna definitely touch up the whole outer corner. So first you just wanna place it on the outer corner. And we go all around our eye. And connect it with your nose contour just a bit. You don't want to drag it too much down, but just connect it in a very soft motion. And you also don't want to drag this down like past your eye. And now blend the ends. And now with this flat brush, we're gonna go in with this brown right here. And we're just gonna focus this on the crease and on the outer corner. Basically kind of form a line and then just blend just a bit. So I'm gonna place that there first. And then I'm gonna start dragging it. And I'm not gonna bring it all the way to the middle. And with that second color, with that fluffy brush, we're gonna go back in and just blend that just a bit. And take your time on this, guys, because if you go fast, the line could go crooked or it can go too far. And like I said, you want it to be somewhat thin. Alright, so it should be looking something like this. With that same fluffy brush that we used this color in, we're just gonna blend very lightly on the top. And if the color got lost just a bit too much, you can go ahead and go right back in. I feel like this side's good, but this one got a little lost. So just gonna go in with some of that color. Ooh, that looks cute. So we don't want a glittery lid, but we do want a bit of sparkle. So I'm just gonna go in with this, with the lightest shade on here, and go over my lid just a bit. Just like that. You see how the lid just kind of like divided itself from the crease line? So before putting the sparkle on there, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with some eyeliner. I'm gonna be using two types of eyeliner. Well, they're actually both from Wet n Wild. This is the Pro Line Felt Tip eyeliner. This is more of a pencil. The other one's just a regular liquid eyeliner. So I wanna wing this out just a bit, but not too dramatic. Alright, just like that. So now we're just gonna fill this in a bit. And stay as close as you can to your lashes. So I'm gonna go ahead with the other eyeliner just to see if I can get a more cleaner, finer end. So we have our eyeliner done. They actually came out like perfect, like eyeliner, you was on my side this time. Guys, I didn't film that freaking part of the sparkle. Oh my god, I thought I put record, but I didn't. But basically, I am using a flat little brush like this, and I'm going in with this champagne glittery, not glittery, like more of a shimmer color, just to add a bit of sparkle on your eyelid. And I went ahead and dab it on there and only focus like right on the center of my lid, right above the eyeliner. And I did that on both eyes. And you don't want to put it all over your lid, literally just like on the center of right above your eyeliner. And then you want to put some on your inner corners and just a tad bit on your eyebrow bone. And you don't want to drag it all the way over here or all the way to the end. It's just literally right there. And that is it, guys. The eyes are done. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and pop some lashes. I actually just got these lashes. They're from the brand Kiss, and they're very like natural looking. They're kind of short, they're not so long. I wanted something not so long, just so the focus is more on the color and not my lashes. And I didn't want my eyeshadow look to get lost in the lashes. So let me go ahead and pop these on real quick, and then we'll move on onto the lips. Alright guys, the lashes are on. So now I'm just gonna go back in with that eyeliner just to make sure the eyeliner and the lashes are blend well together. I'm gonna put just a bit on my lashes just so they could blend, just because they're so natural. So here goes to the lips now. The eyes are basically done. Let me go ahead and dust off the extra powder that we put, all the baking powder I should say. Just like that. And guys, my lips are a bit crusty, but it's alright. So let me go ahead and line my lip. Just like that. I overlined my upper lip just a bit. So what I'm gonna do is just try two colors. This is more of a coral, like red, orange color. Kat Von D. This is in the color Lolita 2. Oh, this is so pretty. So I think this color is a little bit too light. I mean, it's still a very nice color, but I do want to deepen it a little bit. So I'm going to go in with the Smashbox in color Be Legendary. And this is definitely more of a red color. And definitely be very careful with these colors because it's very easy to just make a mistake. So guys, here is the final look. Super, super nice. We have some depth in our eyes, our bright lip. This is so, so nice. I would say though, if I was to wear this with a nude lipstick, definitely pop on that lip gloss on top just so it'll have that shine, just because our eyes are already very settled, so you want that pop. Like, this is definitely like a classic Christmas look with the bold lips and the eyeliner. Very, very nice. And like I said, you guys can play around with the lipstick, either if you want it more dark or more true red or more bright. It all depends on your liking. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Tag me on my Instagram if you guys end up trying out this look. Don't forget to join the Not So Smooth Ride and subscribe to my channel. I do post Tuesdays and Thursdays. Give your girl a big thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.